Alright, so good morning. Buddy, what we're gonna be doing this morning is yung lesson natin kahapon, the previous video, chop-chopin natin into smaller bits so that you'll be able to further understand in depth kung ano yung mga kailangan nating concept na matutunan, at least on that part. Uh, okay, at least on that part. And also, it will be easier for you to make a review on it, and mabalikan nyo siya for um, of course kapag magre-review na tayo. Okay, so gagawin natin dito. Okay, ito tayo. Okay, so first off, ano muna tayo with regards to discrete probability distribution. Umpis lang natin kapalan natin konti. Discrete probability distributions. Okay, so ito muna tayo. So pag sinabi natin discrete probability distribution, they usually are limited, or meron lang siyang uh, hangganan lang siya. Kumbaga hindi siya range, it's not in terms of range, it's in terms of certain numbers. Okay, so kunyari 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, parang ganon. Meron siyang ending, no? Meron siyang beginning, meron siyang ending. So, hindi siya unlimited. Kumbaga. So, for example, toss coin, it's all one example ng discrete probability distribution kasi dalawa lang naman yung niya, yung uh, results niya. So, saktong dalawa lang siya. Like, also, dice throw, mga ganon. And everything else na pwede mo siyang bilangin. So, countable yung discrete. Okay? Pwede mo siyang i-represent into certain numbers. Okay. Anyways, so ilan lang to sa mga properties ng mga discrete probability. Okay? Number one is that yung f of x dito, okay, the f of x here refers to the function of, okay, yung f of x dito refers to the function to the probability function. Okay? Sinasabi lang nito that the corresponding probability of certain number x, no, is greater than or equal to 0. Or, pag sinabi ganyan, pag nakita nyo na ganyan, hindi siya negative. Okay, pwede siyang 0, pero never siya magiging negative. Walang negative probability. Okay? Walang negative probability. Okay? So, also, makita rin natin dito that the total probability or the sum of the probabilities of f of x, no? Yun ang basa dyan, the sum of the probabilities or of x, or the sum of the probabilities is equals to 1. So, same pa rin siya last time, no? It's that, for example, ganito yung table natin. Ito yung probability sa baba, ba't iba ka ng color? So, kunyari, 0, 1, 2, 3. Example, ito siya. Tas 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. Pag sinam daw natin to lahat, dapat equal siya sa 1. Okay? Ganun lang yan, ha? Kailangan equal siya sa yung buong sum ng buong probability. So, this is also a way for you to check kung tama ba yung ginagawa ninyo na probability distribution table, kasi dapat lagi siyang equal to 1. Okay? So, etong symbol na to, yung next, yung P of x of equals to x is equals to probability of x, or the f refers to the value of the function when the random variable x is equal to a specific value. So, ang ibig sabihin lang yan, so tingin tayo ulit dito sa table, no? Halimbawa, meron kayo nakitang ganito. Okay? Equals to 2. So, ibig sabihin lang yan, hinahanap niya is the function of 2. Okay? So, ito yung hinahanap niya. Pagka ganito, ha? Ganun lang ibig sabihin yan, ha? So, ano yan? Ay, ito. Ayusin natin. So, ayusin natin siya. So, pag sinabing P of x equals to 2, hinahanap lang niya yung probability ng 2. So, in other words, itong buong to ang hinahanap niya. Itong buong to ang hinahanap niya. Yan. Okay? Pwede rin nilang isulat ng ganito. P of x less than 2. So, ang hinahanap niyan is, yung mga functions na less than 2 naman. Okay? Ganun lang siya ha. Paano daw isusulat yun pag ganon? So, pwede mo siya isulat like, if this is equals to 2, pwede mo siyang isulat as f of x less than 2. Pwede mo ganyan din. Okay? Yun lang yan. Yung P is referring to the probability. Okay? Yan. So, next is we have the cumulative probability distribution. So, marami nalilito dito. Okay? Pero, ang ibig sabihin lang nito is yung, usually kasi panghanap to ng mean or ng median. No? Panghanap to ng median, yung probability distribution. Kung nasaan yung 1/2 na, or saan papatak yung 1/2 na probability. So, it takes the value of the previous then. So, meron dalawang way to, no? I think doon sa slide, isang way lang ang ginawa niya. Increasing lang siya. Pero, pwede rin decreasing. So, dito, tayo sa table, no? Kapag sinabing probability, cumulative distribution function, or CDF, meron dalawang way. So, CDF greater than, at saka CDF palaki, no? So, pwede natin gawin is, if CDF na paliit, no? Start tayo ng 1/8, tapos, a-add natin to dito, no? Para mapunta siya dito sa side na to. So, magiging 4/8 or 1/2, diba? Tapos, magiging 7/8, and then magiging 8/8 or equals to 1. Yan. So, ito na yung magiging table mo. Okay. Ito na yung magiging CDF table mo. Okay. Pwede rin pataas. So, 1/8, and then 4/8 equals to 1/2, and then 7/8, yan. And then 8/8 or equals to 1. Pwede rin ganyan. Okay? So, sir, para saan mo yan? Usually, ito hinahanap natin pagka CDF. Okay? Ito yung hinahanap natin. Okay? Pagka engineering probability, statistics and probability na kayo, magiging importante ito kasi where is 1/2, nandoon din yung median. Yung median value yan. Okay? To-check nyo kung yung median value ba is same as with the mean value. So, doon yung makikita yung mga kano ba ka-obscure yung dataset ninyo. Alright? So, I think for this one, we can further continue doon sa susunod nating item. So, sa discrete probability, okay na to ha. Gagawa pa ba ako example? So, okay na to, examples na to. Okay? Doon tayo sa mga problem solving later on. Okay? So, sa discrete probability distribution, meron tayong mga ilang pag-aaralan. Okay? So, ito yung mga pag-aaralan natin. The discrete uniform distribution, yan. The binomial distribution, the hypergeometric distribution, and the Poisson distribution. Okay? Balikan lang muna natin yung discrete uniform distribution, ha? So, the discrete uniform distribution, simply means that lahat ng mga probabilities na nandoon sa lahat ng probabilities ng event is equals to each other. Okay? So, in other words, okay, ano muna natin to ha? Ibida lang muna natin si discrete uniform distribution. So, sa maikling salita, ganito siya. If the random variable x assumes the values x1, x2, x to the x k, or the kth x, no? ano yung pang ilang x is equal to has equal probability. Then, no, the distribution or the uniform distribution is 1 over k, or usually yung k, itong k na to, pwede rin siya sabihin n, no? Pwede rin siyang n. K means, or the number of events. Okay, the total number of events. Usually, ganun lang naman yan. Okay, so for example, dice roll. So, sa dice roll, okay, dice roll, meron tayong, kung ang x natin is the face, no? So, meron tayong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 na result, no? Ang probability niyan, ng bawat isang face number, no, is equals to 1 over 6. Bakit? Kasi, alam natin na kapag walang bias siya, di ba, equally likely silang lahat. So, this is a good example of our uniform probability distribution. Okay? Or uniform discrete distribution. Okay, so anong meron? No? So, sabi, kapag daw ganito ang distribution natin, we have the mean is equals to, yan, the mean is equals to the sum of all x divided by k. Okay, so for this example, sa dice roll natin, yung k natin is equals to 6, no? So, doon sa ano naman natin dito. Yan, k is equals to 6, no? Or n is equals to 6. Depende kung ano yung ginamit sa formula. Okay? Basta nakadivide siya sa ito, basta ito yung dami, yung total ng number ng considered siya. Next is the variance. Okay? Is equals to x minus mu quantity squared, no, divided by k. So, solve natin to. Gawa tayo ng solution for this one. Okay? Solve natin siya. So, for example, this one, okay, yan, solve natin dito. So, gawa muna tayo ng table na separate na lang muna ulit. So, we have x, f of x natin, para masanay lang muna tayo. Best is, as you go here, no, or as you are doing this, 1, 6, okay. So, our mean is equals to, so mu, natin lagay mu is equals to, okay, the sum of x sub I, no, sum of x sub I divided by k. So we have okay, so here we can see that yung x sub 1 natin or x sub I is equals to ano yan, 1, 2, 3 hanggang 6, di ba? Tama. So, gagawin natin sum of x sub I, no? Starting from 1 up to 6 lang tayo, no? Kasi k natin is equals to 6 lang. Okay? So, nangyari, mu is equals to, ano natin siya. Mu is equals to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. Divided by 6. So, mu is equals to, 7. 7 times 3 over 6, diba? Ito, parang doon naging 7 times 3. Ito, yung dulo-dulo. So, 7 to. This one is also 7, diba? And this one is also 7. So, tatlong 7 siya. Diba? 4 plus 3 is equals to 7. 5 plus 6 equals to 7. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. So, 7 plus 7 plus 7 equals to, diba? Ganun siya. Pattern lang yan. 21 over 6 equals to, so both are divisible by 3. Yeah. Actually, pwede mo nakakancel to dito. 7 over 2 or 3.5. Diba? Yung natin. 7 over 2. Okay? So, next natin gagawin is that, doon sa formula, meron tayong ganito. Diba? So, paano siya sinosolve? Or paano siya gagawin? Paano natin isosolve ng ganyan yan? So, una muna sa table, gawa ka muna ng x sub I minus mu. Ito muna. Okay, x sub I minus mu muna. Para kung sakali, ang ano mo, hindi ka mali dito sa table. So, ibig sabihin ito, so subtract mo yung 1 with 3.5. Okay? So, gawin muna natin siya ha. So, magiging 1 minus 3.5. Gawin muna natin ganito. Isa-isahin lang muna natin. Equals to, ano to? Equals to 2 minus 3.5. 3 minus 3.5. 4 minus 3.5. 3.5. 6 minus 3.5. Okay? Ayan. Equals lang. So, ito muna. Ayan. Ito muna yung sa loob lang muna. Okay? And then, 1 minus 3.5 is negative 2.5. Negative 1.5. Okay. 0.5. 1.5. 2.5. Okay. Negative yata ito. Sorry. Mali ako mali. So, 3.5. And ito 0.5. Equals 1.5. 2.5. Yan. Okay? Hindi pa natin i-add. Okay? So, ito na yung x minus mu natin. Okay? Next natin gagawin is, gawa tayo ng x minus mu squared. In other words, i-square lang natin yung naman ng table na to. Okay, so this time, gawin tayo ng calculator. Nalakay na dito na. Yan. So, 2.5 squared is 6.25. 6.25 din to. And then 1.5 squared is 2.25. And then 0.5 squared is 0.25. Yan. Tapos add lang natin. So, ito, pwede na natin siyang i-add. No? Pwede na natin i-represent to as from 6i equals to 1. No? Pwede na natin siyang gawin ganito. Itong part na to. Pwede natin siya ilipat dito as x sub I minus mu by substitution. Diba? So, pwede natin siyang i-add together lahat. Okay, so this will be 6.25 plus 2.25 plus 0.25 equals times 2 and 17.5. Okay, we have 17.5. And then, divide natin by k. So, variance is equals to, so kung papansinin, inuulit-ulit yung formula, no, para mas tumatak sa isip natin kung ano yung ginagawa natin sa formula. So, 17.5 divided by k is to 6. So, 17.5 by 6. So, we have 22.91. 6. Okay. So, yan. Variance is equals to 2.916. Okay. Then, para makuha natin yung standard deviation, which is just the square root lang naman siya. So, we have 17.5 divided by 6. Yan. Yan tayo. 0.7. So, yan. Ganun lang siya mag-solve. Okay? So, meron tayong mean, and then meron tayong standard deviation and variance. So, yan. So, meron na kayong mga ganyan. Kaya na to, this and this. Okay? Sorry, medyo sinisipon ako. Alright. Yan. So, kita nyo naman siya, no? Yan. Okay? So, later on, solve ba tayo ng isa pang example. Pero for now, this is the good example muna for discrete uniform distribution. Pwede nyo i-try. Okay? Gawin nyo yung draw lots. Kunyari, meron kayong number. So, or pwede toss coin. Try nyo rin yung toss coin. Kasi mas maikli naman yun. Or halimbawa, meron kayong bubunutin na number. Kunyari, there's a number 1 to 15. So, find the probability distribution. Okay, so again, ito yung mga kailangan pagka nagsosolve. Okay, this is the probability distribution table. Or PDF. Table or function. Yan. And then, ito yung mga pag-solve. Itong parts na to yung how you to try to solve it. Okay? Questions? If you have questions, post nyo lang sa ating Discord server so that we can attend to it. Okay? Sige. I'll stop recording from here and then we'll go to the next topic, which is binomial distribution. Alright, I'll see you on the next video.